Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iPad Pro 11. First, set up an Apple ID Sync easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your iPad Pro 11. Remove all protective films and stickers from the device. Press and hold the power button located at the top until the Apple logo appears. Select your language from the list that appears on the screen. Choose your country or region from the options provided. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the available list. Enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted, then tap Join. Once connected, your iPad will attempt to activate. On the next screen, you may choose to enable location services. If you have another Apple device, you can set up your iPad using Quick Start. Simply hold your other Apple device near the iPad and follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer to set it up manually, choose Set up manually. When prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, tap Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it to create one. Once signed in, you will see options to enable or disable various features such as iCloud and Find My iPad. Select your preferences. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Enable or disable Siri according to your preference. You can also choose to enable screen time settings. Decide whether you want to share app analytics with Apple. Finally, your iPad will take a moment to set up. Once setup is complete, your iPad will display the home screen. You are now ready to begin using your iPad Pro 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.